Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in. I wanted to come and show you guys this beautiful Love Me hair unit. Let's get right into the unboxing. It's a beautiful curly unit with these gorgeous blonde highlights. And yes, this is a headband wig. Just look at these curls, you guys. They are absolutely beautiful right out of the pack. Now this is a headband unit. It does come with the stretchy elastic headband, very comfortable. 3 combs at the top, 1 comb in the back, no adjustable straps. Let me know what you guys think about this color. It is so gorgeous. So even with my headband wigs, I do like to put on a cap just to protect my hair in the back and just to help it lay down a little flatter. So let's go ahead and install this headband wig. Very simple and easy application. All you're doing is inserting the combs and then attaching the Velcro strap in the back. Look at this gorgeous color, you guys, and the gorgeous curl pattern. And of course, Love Me hair always comes through with the nice headbands. I am going to choose the cheetah print. So all you got to do is put on this unit, style your baby hair or your edges, and you are good to go. So quick, so easy. You can literally walk out the house just like this if you want to. But I'm just going to go a little bit further and brush out and make these curls pop even more. Just wanted to give a back view to you guys. Very true to length. I am loving this color. So I did want to brush out this unit, and let me tell you, these curls are totally tangle free. No tangles, very, very minimal shedding. These curls just brushed out like butter. It was no resistance, anything. Just look at that beautiful pattern. So realistic, and they did a wonderful job with the color. So this hair did get massive, you guys. So if you know, I'm not big on color, but I did want to show my viewers that is interested and loves color. I wanted to show you guys this unit just in case you're interested. I am loving it. It is so pretty. Of course, you can style it in the up, half down, bun, any type of style. It's just so easy and quick. So I am spraying the hair with a little bit of water and mousse mixture, and I just wanted to see how well these curls pop. Definitely a big difference between the poofy side and the wet side, and that side is kind of damp. I could have actually wet it a little more. So I'm going to finish spraying down and brushing out this unit, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I did want to speak a little bit in this video, not just do totally all voiceover. So as you can see, I am done defining the curls in this Love Me headband unit. It is very, very beautiful, and let me tell you, these caramel color highlights are on point. So of course, as you guys know, I'm not the one for a lot of color, but I did want to give this a try to all my viewers that may enjoy color, especially in this fall season. And this headband wig is the bomb. The quality of the hair is the bomb. Now I did add some water, as you can see, and it's giving me very Beyonce color vibes. And I know Sierra has worn this color too, and it's very, very gorgeous. The hair in the curl pattern is gorgeous. Now for me to wear this, I would probably have to put a little dye in it just to make it a little darker, because you know, color isn't totally my thing. But to you ladies that love color, this unit is gorgeous. Just look at the curls. And even when they dry, the curl pattern doesn't change dramatically. So it's still this beautiful curl pattern. Now, you can make this wig a little bit more defined with, you know, a little bit more moisture or some gel to make the curls more defined, like here in the back. You can make the front more defined, but this is a beautiful unit. I will leave all the information down below. Like I said, this is from Love Me Hair Headband Unit, and they are doing like a wonderful job. Love Me really cares about the quality of the hair, not just that it's a headband wig, let me just make these real quick. Like, this is some gorgeous hair. It is true to length, and I got, of course, a little bit of shedding when brushing the unit out, but that's to be expected. It is a unit. It's not like crazy to where it's, you know, concerning. And this hair is so buttery soft, no tangles, nothing, like nothing. And all I did was add water. It is so soft, like, guys, like, realistic is key. Like, keep it realistic, keep it natural. And I mean, not saying that, you know, other hairstyles are not okay, but something like this is realistic. This is very, if you're the kind of girl that is trying to keep it realistic and natural, guys, like, what? It is so beautiful. It really looks like a custom color. So definitely, if you are interested, check out the link below. I can't stop touching this hair. It is so pretty. Definitely follow me on cutie-pie _hair. Excuse me, cutie-pie _hair. That's my Instagram page. If you want photos and more information about this unit, definitely a beautiful, quick option for the fall, okay? Love it, love it. Let me know in the comments below if you are feeling this color for you. And definitely let me know if you enjoyed this review. And definitely subscribe for future videos and turn on that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload. Very important. And thanks to my new viewers, if you're just tuning in, thank you so much for coming, and I hope you subscribe and stay tuned. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and thank you, Love Me Hair, once again. Thanks for watching. Bye.